Hey everyone! Today I am on another idea shopping trip where I go out to different stores and I check what's new in organizing supplies. You know, I like doing these idea trips because it's good to know what's out there. You want to put a good plan in place before you go shopping. And today I am at the mothership of all that is organized in this world. I am at the Container Store! I cannot wait because I have got some very big projects I'm working on right now. I am redoing my pantry, and that is kind of spilling over into redoing my refrigerator organization. And about a year ago, I won this. I never win anything. I don't know how it happened, but I won this on an Instagram contest with NAPO National. I follow them on Instagram. They are wonderful to follow. Go follow them over on Instagram. But I won this, and I think I might have to put it to good use today. Even though I'm idea shopping, I might get a couple of items for those big kitchen projects I have. So stick around. Let's see what I can find. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Pam. I'm a professional organizer, and on my channel I like to share all my organizing tips, tricks, and strategies, and just if it has anything to do with organization, I like recording videos on it. Okay, so let's get in there. Okay, so when it comes to kitchen organization, I gotta tell you, these multi-purpose bins from the Container Store are awesome. I use them in my fridge, my pantry, and cupboards. They come in 4 sizes: small, medium, large, and extra large. I have to admit, I haven't used the extra large size yet, but I do use these small bins to hold the shredded cheese bags in my fridge. And the medium-sized bins are great for keeping your canned goods organized in your pantry. I use the large-sized bins in my cupboard to hold the lids to my pots and pans. Now, other products I have really fallen in love with when it comes to organization are the products from Ucopia. Their products focus on versatility. They are amazingly adjustable to fit a wide variety of sizes. Take a look at this cookware rack. Each one of these dividers can be adjusted so that you can easily accommodate a variety of pan widths. These 4-sort dividers can help keep your pans organized too, and they come in 3 different sizes, but they aren't as adjustable and customizable as the Ucopia ones. They also have these wooden dividers for your pans too. And when you're keeping your pans organized, you need to organize the lids that go with them. These racks can attach to your cabinet wall or door. There is so much valuable unused space in our cabinets, and these cabinet shelves can really help you maximize that unused space. The Container Store offers the largest variety of sizes when it comes to these racks. Not only do they offer a lot of different widths to choose from, but they also offer these gems in different heights as well. Again, the larger the variety of sizes, the better you're able to customize your organization. And if you're looking for a more natural look, they have these beautiful bamboo shelves too. Again, these are available in a wide variety of sizes for you to choose from. Ooh, look at this organizing gem. A riser rack and a turntable all in one. The turntable spins very smoothly. Again, check out the way Ucopia designed this to be customizable to your needs. Here are the 5 different height levels you can adjust this to. I haven't been in a kitchen lately that didn't desperately need 1 or 2 of these. Again, Eucopia makes this extremely customizable by offering 3 different heights to choose from. We all know our water bottles can vary in size, and Eucopia made it easy to accommodate the size difference. Depending on the size of your bottles, it can hold up to at least 8 of them. Let's face it, our garages are our catch-all for clutter, but there is one feature on this shelving unit that has blown me away, and here it is. Aside from it offering versatile height, it has these tracks built into the top shelf. This track lets you slide the bins in and out like a drawer, and the bins come in different sizes so you can customize your storage. I also like the solid shelves as opposed to the open grate design so many other garage storage racks have. And did you also notice that the bins come with domed lids? How cool is that? The unit itself is $65, with the bins being extra. These tool racks are a really great way to keep your gardening tools organized. I have so many clients that love these. Some garages don't offer a lot of storage space on the side walls, so if space is tight on the sides of your garage, these tracks that you attach to the wall offer a wide variety of special hooks to hang your ladder, your hoses, tools, gardening supplies, and sporting equipment. This rack can help you store your bikes neatly, or you can get the ones with the bins like these to store all your sporting equipment nice and organized. When it comes to general home organization, a wonderful product to have on hand is Museum Putty. I use it to help keep any drawer dividers from sliding around in my drawers. Ooh, and check out all of the adorable products the Container Store has to keep all of our little fur babies' supplies organized. From treat storage containers to paw cleaners to travel bowls and collapsible scoops to easy to clean food dishes and even these adorable toy bins. I especially love the cute print on the canisters and garbage cans. Probably one of my favorite general home organization products are these storage benches. You can use them at the foot of your bed to hold extra sheets and blankets, or you can put them near the front door that you come in through regularly and store your shoes in them. You can use them in your family room to neatly contain your board games or your gaming console supplies. Or if you have young kids, you can use these as a more mature toy bench for the areas in your home that you want a more sophisticated storage option than one of those brightly colored toy bins. There's really a lot of storage space in these benches. Here you can see that the seat holds up to 275 pounds. And these benches come in all sorts of great colors to choose from. I really like that they come in these smaller cube sizes too. These are awesome to use in your kids' rooms. It offers a super easy storage solution and again doubles as additional seating in their rooms. And they come in some really fun colors too. Okay, I want to take a moment to talk about the value of a good decorative basket in your home. One key habit to organization is that if you take an item out, you need to put it back. But sometimes when things get busy, we may not have time to put things away right after we use them. That's where these decorative bins come in so handy. I literally have some type of decorative bin in every room of my home. I use them as my relocation bins. When I take something out, but I don't have time to put it back, I simply tuck the item out of sight into one of these bins. Then, at the end of the day, before I go to bed, I grab the bin and I put away any items I placed in it throughout the day. It usually doesn't take me more than 5 minutes to do. Everyone in my family utilizes these bins and each of us is responsible for our own items. The Container Store has an enormous selection of decorative bins to choose from that can literally match any decorative style in your home. Whether you're looking for something with a little more formal look or a more casual look, whether you want wicker, wooden, or fabric bins. Whether you want baskets that are lined or baskets with lids, the Container Store has so many you can choose from. They are really high quality baskets that will last a long, long time. Now these clear ones, I'm not sure about these. What would these clear ones be good for? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear some creative ideas. But I have to say, they're very sturdy. Now, when I'm talking about the quality of baskets at the Container Store, this is what I mean. Check out the wire supports inside of this basket. It's discreetly woven into the basket. I wish you could feel how sturdy this basket is, and I love the design too. Okay, if we're talking general home organization, these rolling carts are the rage. You can use them for storing extra supplies in your bathroom, or you could use it as a makeup or nail care or hair product caddy. You could use it to hold craft supplies and accessories. You could use it in your office for your office supplies, or you could use it in your kitchen as a snack cart. The possibilities are endless. I love that it has an option for a lid like this because it creates a workable surface space for you. To add a little extra organization, you can pop in one of these sliding trays. And these carts roll so smoothly too. Okay, oh my gosh, that was so much fun. I could literally spend the entire day there, just going up and down the aisles. Oh, I love their products. Yes, they might be a little pricey, but they are 100% worth the cost. They are really made well. They think of every little detail, so it really helps you out. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by giving me a big old thumbs up. Poke that like button below, and out of all the things I showed you, what was your favorite item and what would you do with it? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I'll be doing a future video on a couple of the items I purchased today because I want to give a special shout out and thanks to NAPO National on Instagram. Thank you for my gift card. I still have about $45 more to spend, but I'm going to come back because they were out of stock on a couple of the things I absolutely cannot do without, and I will show you those in a future video as well. So if you haven't already done so, click that subscribe button and ring the bell so you know when I'll be uploading those videos. Take care, and I'll see you on the next shopping trip. Hey there, fellow organizers. If you liked what you just watched, here are 2 more organizing videos you might enjoy. Be sure to check them out. And if you found the information I shared in this video helpful, let me know by clicking that like button down there because it really helps out my channel. To get even more organizing tips, you can always follow me on all my socials. The links are in the description box below. Happy organizing!